Here's how to make our newest product, Ashwavana. First, select your flavor, orange passion fruit or strawberry. Fill a glass with 16 to 20 ounces of water. This much water helps you stay hydrated and balances the flavor perfectly. Add 1 scoop of Ashwavana to your glass and mix until well combined. During this step, powerful adaptogens and nootropics are released, which naturally support your body, mind, and spirit. A handheld mixer is a great tool for this step. Add ice and fresh fruit of your choice for a delicious and refreshing drink. We recommend drinking orange passion fruit in the morning and strawberry in the evening for a zen and focused day. Sip away at your delicious drink and sit back as Ashwavana works to increase your mental and physical performance. Have any more questions about Ashwavana? Click the link in the description for more information.